It is going to continue to generate some showers and a few thunderstorms. Right now, most of this is just some on and off rain. It is not all over the place, though. There are still plenty of places where you're dry right now. So you can see up on the northeast side, some heavy rain happening there. Grove City getting some moderate rain, and we can see that near the downtown skyline as well. We're at 69 degrees at the airport. The breeze out of the northwest at 7. And your DR Horton America's Builder current conditions in Lancaster are still at 75, 79 in Athens, Bucyrus at 73. Where you've had rain is where you are cooler. That's why Delaware's at 64 right now. Overnight tonight, Columbus will drop to 62. Some scattered showers for a little while yet. You may have some patchy fog to start your day tomorrow. But watch the afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon, there are two scenarios. One, we have a cap, which is like a lid on the atmosphere. If it holds, nothing happens. If it lets go, we get some big storms during the evening. So that's this scenario. So this is a possibility with strong storms coming through parts of Ohio during the afternoon and evening. But what is this cap that we're talking about? So during the day, air can warm up, and as it begins to rise, it comes up through some cooler air. So as you probably know, the air gets cooler as you go farther up. But every once in a while, you'll find that there's a patch where there's some warm air about halfway up. As long as this air keeps getting cooler, the air will continue to rise, and you'll start to get those clouds. But when it hits this patch of warm air, it can't rise anymore. So it stops, and that keeps big storms from forming. However, if there's a break in that cap, or if there's maybe a weak spot somewhere that some of that warm air can rise and get through, then it's like a fire hose, and it just pushes that air right up through there, and we end up with big thunderstorms. So these are the scenarios for tomorrow. The cap holds, and we don't get much happening. The cap breaks, and we get big thunderstorms. Part of what we need in all of that is lots of fuel for those storms, and that's warm, humid, unstable air. And we're going to have lots of that for tomorrow. It really begins to build in that warm, humid air, and that's why there is a possibility of strong storms tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. Some of that is going to happen again on Friday. There is more confidence in Friday for some of these showers and thunderstorms. So we're looking at the potential for strong storms on Thursday and a much better chance of those on Friday. Not going to see a lot of rain out of these, but a quick downpour could give you a quarter inch, tenth to a quarter inch. It's going to be hot and muggy, 85, and a chance for showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Friday, 86, and another chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here's how we're going to do this. For Thursday, we're going to call this a possible alert because it's going to be all about whether that cap breaks, and that's about a 50-50 shot. So if it breaks, we've got some storms. We're going to be ready for that rather than being surprised. Then on Friday, yeah, we've got some pretty good confidence in that one. So Friday will be an alert day for the afternoon and evening as more of those storms come through. We're slightly